In this video, I will be showing you how to upload audio in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll select the landscape video template from the Canva homepage to open a new project. While the editor loads, I'm preparing to set up my design. Now that I'm in the editor, I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left sidebar and type water into the search bar. I'll filter the results to show only videos and then click on this stream footage to add it to my canvas. Next, I'll move down to the timeline and click on the Add Audio button. To use my own custom sound, I'll navigate to the Uploads tab in the side panel and select the audio category. I'll take my uploaded audio file and simply drag it directly onto the timeline. I'll adjust the placement of the track to ensure it aligns perfectly with the start of my video clip. Finally, I'll move the playhead back to the beginning and press play to preview the synced audio and video. And that's how easy it is to upload and use your own audio files in Canva.